This is one of the series of 7 seminars that we are holding in different states, where we are trying to showcase how ICT is being used in various education for sustainable development projects and by the governments, both in the formal and non-formal sector. And our target group is teachers from schools, colleges, and students from high schools and from undergraduate students who actually do not have much information about what is happening in a state, but these seminars are opening their eyes and increasing their knowledge on what is available for them and what alternatives there are to ICT. You know, people think you learn a computer just to sit maybe in an office, but that you can take it out into the community, and the type of work that is being done in communities and within the government using various modes of information communication technology is not so well known to the common man. So our main goal is to see that it is spread out to the common man, the knowledge that there is this mode which is bringing in a lot of development in this sector. We are actually, I don't know much about the competition in March, but in the afternoon we continue into a youth meet where which we are doing with the first part. The seminar was with Dell Computers, sponsored by Dell Computers. Afternoon we move into the youth meet, which is actually under the sponsorship of endorsement of the Ministry of Youth Affairs, Government of India. And here we do a competition because we select students for a national level meet which we organize in the end of January, which is called the Yuva Meet, which is again sponsored by the Ministry of Youth Affairs, where children, about 200 students from across the country, participate to exchange ideas, discuss on sustainable issues and on environmental issues. Actually, we just want their knowledge to increase on various environmental issues and also on issues related to sustainable development, so that because it is actually very connected to their classroom learning teaching. You know, you learn about energy, you learn about different forms of fuel, but we want to enhance their learning to more sustainable development in when you're talking about energy, looking at renewable energy, looking at conservation of energy. When you're talking about water, how you can save on water, how you can keep your water bodies clean, because they are anyway learning about water in their curriculum, and similarly other topics.